Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2021 CLS 53 AMG Coupe. This one is a graphite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter inline-6 turbo with EQ boost, pushing out 429 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one comes with the exterior lighting package with LED intelligent light systems, adaptive high beam assist, AMG night package with high gloss black elements on the front, side, and rear of the vehicle, 20-inch AMG black 5-spoke wheels, turbo 4MATIC badging on the side, Bengal red black Napa leather interior with a natural grain gray ash wood trim, ambient lighting, sunroof, rear spoiler, AMG CLS 53 badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and brand new floor mats, fold down rear seats, driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, speed limit assist, pre-safe, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, AMG illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, AMG suede and leather steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 12.3-inch media display, which is now touchscreen, navigation, rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz is our Mbux System, which stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience. You're able to use it as a smart device by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Change ambient light to green."
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
Change ambient light to green.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, USB ports, wireless charging, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, our exhaust button, parking cameras, USB ports in the glove console. This CLS 53 has 3,666 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 CLS 53 AMG Coupe, visit us at feldmannimports.com.